In this video, we're going to continue with the sheetload of cards for January from Call Me Crafty Owl. Hello, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I just wanted to show how I finished off the rest of the cards. There was 9 left, and in actuality, it only took me about 4 minutes. So we're going to finish these up and then get started on the next thing. So stay tuned. I finished stamping all these card bases. It took me probably another 7-8 minutes to finish these, to be fair. Now we're going to assemble everything except the sentiment. We're going to do that probably next time. So let us get started. 10 minutes on the clock. And I'm going to do a little mixing and matching here. Put that right in the middle. And then we're going to lay down the washi tape. I'm going to do the washi tape to the end of the card base. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I find that placing the tape and then putting this next piece, lining it up underneath it, works best. Okay, there's one. This craft tape, I get 4 in a box from Amazon. I have it on subscription. I get another box every couple months, and it times out really well. I will put that down in the description box if you'd like to order some. Okay, some of these, the measurements were just off enough to be irritating. So I may have to trim them back down. I don't know how long ago I got this washi tape, but I think it works out really nice. Really nice. So let's trim that just a hair. It's 4 inches. Or, yeah, just a little bit. There's 2. Four, 5, 6. That was number 6. All right. So we got 6 done. So that's half of them. And here's our 10 minutes. Okay. So we got 6 done. So that's pretty awesome. So if you have 12 total, then you know that that's how much you can get done in 10 minutes. And so that's the whole idea, is to kind of get that mojo flowing. All right. I will go ahead and finish these, and then we'll be ready for the next step, which is the sentiment, the thank you stamp. And then we'll mat these and pop it up on foam tape. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.